Okay. Hey, I'm Miles, and this is my first video where I will do karate moves. I have the hiccups. I hope this thing doesn't beat me up, even though it's not real. Ow. Punch you in the... Ow.
You doing, Tarzan?
Making a video.
Huh?
Making a video. I have the hiccups.
Why don't you go skate? Oh, you're on your video, sorry. Alright.
That's my dad.
Ooh.
Still doing karate moves. Ow. 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 I got my finger. Ow. Seriously, if you have a Go Fit foam stick thing at home, I would throw it out in the trash because those beat you up and it hurts, very hurts. I will get rid of this thing once and for all. Ow. Ow. I'll get rid of this thing once and for all. Uh-huh. Zombie! Must save it. Clear. Clear. It's not working. What if I drop 10-pound weights on it? Will work. Ow! I dropped them on my foot. Okay, that was my first video, so yeah, check out Miles Rules the World for other funny videos, and yeah, Miles Rules the World.